Ensenada, celebrating 8 years. Hi.
Okay. Yes. It's E. So you can use the stairs to go up.
New COVID rule. You have to go to your muster station before you can go to your room. We have all of our shit. It's cool. It's just a little heavy. We're getting some exercise before the party starts. I know we should. Yeah, get a drink as soon as you get on the boat. Happy cruise. Tastes like college. This is not.
Oh, welcome.
Hello.
Come on in.
Oh my gosh. Look at this. Hello.
We're still in Long Beach Port. We got the view of the Queen Mary.
That's awesome.
Beautiful.
It's about 75 degrees. The sun is warm. And this is our little home. I don't know if I can get much of the boat. Hey.
It was awesome. Got a king size bed.
This is definitely an upgrade from the Inspiration. Definitely. And I mean, it's a cruise ship bathroom, but feels like a good amount of space. What up? Ready to party?
Me too. Going to the pool.
Going to the pool. Everybody's stoked. Day one. Got my Celsius.
Got the Queen Mary in the background. Downtown Long Beach.
Okay, the best bar is the Serenity Adults Only Bar and hot tub. Going out onto the balcony. That little light is Catalina. And then that is San Pedro. Getting ready for dinner night one. We're going to the casino. Here's what I got going.
I just have a few videos of our trips.
Nice.
If you look at what happened there, I mean, it's eerily similar.
Morning. That kind of looks like a fire in the distance, not gonna lie. I just saw dolphins down here like 10 minutes ago. Beautiful day. We got a chia pudding. We're gonna have some lox, Dylan's eggs Benny.
First breakfast on the boat. Looks good.
It's my turn. Dilly is wrecking me. But there's Ensenada. It's a beautiful day. There's like this obstacle course.
Hello.
Hi. The water is just like such a nice blue. It's like kind of tempts me to just want to jump.
It's a big ocean out there. Should have brought my pole. I could probably cast from here.
Should have brought the pole.
Should have brought the pole.
Rats. Cheers. Oh, that's delicious. Hey, he's double fisted. Front row, baby.
The punchliner, baby.
Good morning. This Royal Caribbean boat's over here trying to like parallel park. We are at the Carnival terminal, and this is Ensenada, baby. Oh yeah. Walking to town.
Walking to town.
They actually I feel like redone it a little bit with the landscaping. Though this used to be the gift shop and now it's closed. Probably because COVID. Yep.
Nice warm day though. Stoked to go into town and get some drinks.
Yeah. Got another Royal Caribbean over there.
Look at that slide. That thing is huge.
Yeah, that looks freaking sick. This is definitely a big upgrade from the Inspiration. Yeah, overall, beautiful day. We're walking to town. There she is. All right, shots.
Come back to Ensenada.
Yeah. Tabasco.
Sun is rising, 5:30 in the morning. You just barely see Catalina out there.